Hi guys, I'm sorry for the late upload video. So today we will play for second again, and um, the info I know about for second is there is milestone, and milestone is like level 25. Each level 25 we get one milestone. This is make me like wow, I just know it, man, and I buy Nolly, and because they say Nolly is a good killer. I don't know if they were like talking about truth or it's like bad killer. I don't know. Look, I play Nolly, but I think I will play Slasher because I just level 10, bro. We still play using the and my stat is basically like average. Let's see what they got in the new update. This update is a small update. I see a lot of video talking about a new skin. It's if I'm not wrong, it's Cool Kid. Yeah. Wait. Let me check it out. Cool Kid skin. Where is it? Is it Mafioso? Oh, it's Celebration. Disclaimer: you don't own this character yet. Whatever you're trying to do right now is dumb. Huh? What do you mean, man? So that means I need to buy this first. This color, why? Oh my god! And one more, it's Elliot. Who is it? And where is it? Um, did they just scam me? Bro! Are you seriously? There's no skin for Elliot, oh my god. They just scam me, bro. And for the gingerbread, we got it 178. It's for winter event. I just know it, man. Oh my god. We will buy tab. I don't know what is fucking tab. But I just will buy. And maybe we will buy another character like Buzzerman. But I don't play it because I love Noob, man. Like um Noob is a average survivor that can protect himself. It's wait, what? What is that? 1x. Okay. I don't know who is that and what is that. But we will just play it, I guess. Oh, Bloxy Cola here. I have it. So it's okay. Do the generator. Top the oh yeah, I forget it. Using rock. Yeah, boy. It's been always using rock. It make me 100% stat. Okay. We will hide first. We will hide. Okay. Yes, they don't see me because I am invisible. Okay, we got a med kit. Right. Just a little bit here. Wait. Okay. This correct. Damn, bro. I'm really scared if that projectile goes to me. We will drink color. Run for my life! Oh my god. Okay, then we hide. Oh, there's a lot of gingerbread, man. Yo! And we will using a rock skin again for extra safety. No, no, no. He's trying to steal this. I need to fetch. I need to fetch. Yeah. Yes, got it. Okay. Then here we go. Why we can go here? Yeah, it's for only here. Okay, we will drink cola again here. No, 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 no. No, everyone, listen. Yeah, man. My jokes, it's getting better and better. Okay, we're using a rock skin there for safety. Wait, the gingerbread just disappeared. No, man. Well, this thing. Okay, I don't know what we do here. We will drink cola. Run, running, running. We go here, we go here. I want, okay, we must fighting. Because it can refill our, what is it? Height life. Yeah, if the 1x using that skill, it highlights us. No, because thank you to the my friend that play for second team. His name, okay, I can't say his name, but his account name Palmer. He is pro, man. He has like 1,000 wins. Oh my god. He trained me so much. And we winning again. Yeah, man. Pretty simple. I wonder if I can like buy any skin for noob with gingerbread. Oh, we can. There's Al and cold outside. 100 gingerbread. Maybe we can buy it. We just need 3 more gingerbread. Okay. I guess. Treasure. What is this skin? It's so cool, man. Okay. Like always. This no, it's my mid kit. Oh man. Not fair. For the safety again, we're using that. Yeah, rock scale. By the way, I need to apologize. My previous video doesn't have any sound or voice because the sound is bugged. I can repair it, so yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I just repaired it today. So yeah, pretty sorry, man. Well, maybe here. Yeah, we correct. Hey. This? No, no, no. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, we drink cola. We need it. Yeah, I know. I don't know. There's another generator here. Wait. Oh my God, medkit. Yo, man. I can't. Okay. Maybe here. No, there's no generator here. What the hell? Okay, maybe we can use this and this combo. My god, bro, I'm so invisible right now. Oh my god, bro, it's a good combo. Not just good, it's very very good. I wonder if the last generator is Oh man, it's done. Okay, maybe we can start with searching gingerbread because there's a lot of gingerbread. Oh my god, I forget it. By the way, um, I see there like my friend is using web. So yeah, um, I mean like, why am I not trying to do this? I don't know if web is a good. No, my friend said using web we must what we must react it, react the killer test. So it will drop and then we must punch. Yeah, maybe after this, man. After this, and then what is it? I go here. Oh, hi. Yeah, hi. Okay, we must buy Quest. I'm so curious right now. Be strong. Always be strong. Okay. Oh yeah, there's a necessary. Maybe no. Because I think the original is better. And then yeah, um, maybe we can buy a skin. Oh, we can a gingerbread or Christmas owl. Hmm. Wait, what? I have it, man. I have the 100 gingerbread. What? What is happening? Maybe a bug, man. Yeah, maybe. My God, I'm sick, man. What's the killer? Oh, it's me. Okay, like before, like the previous video, if we being killers, we shoot them down. Okay. What's that? Why are you having a wing? Yeah, oh, that's not fair. Okay, okay. Kill him, kill him, kill him. I think he wants that. He wants that. Oh, yeah. Yes, I hate you. I hate you. Nom nom nom. Hey! Let's play here! I'll get you. No! I don't have to do that. Yes! Oh my god! I got a signal. Good quality. Is it good? I can see it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Bring me in first. I wonder, this is your favorite line. Yeah, I'm pretty good at killer, but oh my god, I'm so noob at survivor. Oh my god, bro, where is the survivor? Hey, there's no fair. You guys are supposed to hide. Oh my god, where's Dave? Oh, there he is. God, bro. No, no. Holy shit. You are too ready. Hey. I don't know if those are other I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if that annoy you guys. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. GG man. Yeah, I will like what I say. I'm pretty good at killer, but I'm not that good at survivor. Even my friend, he said I'm good, bro. I'm very good. Yeah. Maybe we can see they stats. Okay. They actually good. Better than me, bro. Okay, this is the one who win. You don't see they play on the um PC or something. Okay, we can react to this. I'm not. Wait, what? Huh? Bro, don't leave, man. I want to play. Oh, wait, what is this? Okay, help you. How? How? No, no, no. No, no, no. Hey, he's screaming. What the hell, man? There's a lot of Okay, who are you? Oh yeah, how can you talk? Okay, maybe we can react to them. If my friend can react, maybe I can. Yeah, maybe. So my friend just said, react to their hand. Want to swing? Go, go, yeah. Okay. I'm not doing generator right now. Oh, I'm doing it. Cola. Yeah, because I'm not using a noob again. So yeah, cola is the best option. Wait, wait. He's going after me. He's going after me. No, no, no. Okay. So if he is a friendly killer, then what am I supposed to do? Yeah, we will do generator. Yeah, I think I'm better at generator, bro. Like I'm faster than before. Generator is pretty easy. I think they might need to buff generator or the quest. Okay. Nice! We leveling up. Bro, just kill it, bro. I need it. Please, meat. I need this. Hey, please cook it. I need this. My grave is kinda homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help him out. Wait, what? Oh, oh, we can dash. So the first ability is charge, like a dash, and the second is block. Then what? How? How do we punch? How do we punch? How do we punch? How do we punch? Look, look, look. It's blocked, man. How do we punch? Oh my god. Oh my god. We got an achievement. What is that achievement? Um, okay. General challenge. General. Survival is one. Win 10 rounds as survivor. And wow, there's a lot of achievements. I think it's just like one, two, three, or what? It's a lot of man. Oh my god. Maybe I have a sore throat, man. Wait, what? Huh? Randora? Is this like hit? Wow! Hell nah. Oh, cook it again. Okay, I swear to God, my sore throat is like very annoying, man. Sorry if my English like bad or like. What do you mean default? Isn't like. Oh, you late. Oh wait, we will help them. We will help them. Okay, okay. I need to hide for explanation. Okay. I don't know how, but I just spamming these two ability because I don't know. These two ability I just spam it. Cause like I think like if I can block, maybe after block. And I'm right. Oh my god, bro. And I get a skin. What is that skin, man? And oh my god, oh my god. Okay, help them, help them. Maybe we can find medkit. There is no medkit here. Oh my god. Am I one shot? How? What is a cookie damage? Predict it. Oh my god. Am I good, guys? Am I good? Yeah, maybe I'm right. No! No way! I'm dying. No way! No way! I'm dying, bro. I'm dying. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm pretty bad, bro, at this, but I feel like satisfied if I can block and punch. But like how? How he playing killer like his hand is too fast for me to to react it, man. Like, strat, 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 like that, man. Like, okay, I make a comparison. Like, slasher, slasher hand like this, but cool kid hand like this. So fast, man. Even me, I can read it. I can see it. It's too fast, man. I get too punched um because I predict it, not react it. Oh my god, so annoying, man. Okay, real Noria. he is he is Indonesian. They play cricket for easy. Maybe I can try it. Oh, I shall not supposed to try it, man.
Precious in this coolant skin, blowing off your
Okay,
socks.
maybe yeah.
You know you're never
Recommend
getting
me
rid of
one
focus
film
on
that
your
I can play,
block. There
except
you are. Gotcha!
Slasher. Bro, this two time doesn't do anything except generator. Help them, bro. Help them. Oh my god. Really hiding it? But it is still visible. Okay, can we get one? Oh yeah, I forget it. Buy a skin. Yeah, maybe. Oh,
Here I go!
up with a little of camouflage specificity. Whoa, sweet.
Playtime's
For
almost
pleasure.
over!
Maybe something or nothing. Are you seriously right now? Oh hell, man. Okay, we play as Camo. Oh yeah, this is Ultra Kill. Whoa, cool design, I guess, because I never used it before. Oh my god, did I kill you? Sorry, yes. Did they see me or something, man? If this, okay, what is this? Oh, rules. Exploiting a bug abuser. Caraveri, Sagavera. Try me. Look. We can teaming here, but how? Oh my god, man. We shall teach them some lesson. I don't know. Excuse me. What? Oh, okay. No problem, I guess. Maybe we can do the later. No, I need it, girl. It's cola. Oh, thank you. Maybe you can start medkit, so I not become like this. He just passes me. Really? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. Damn, bro. You don't care. Oh my god! I love it. That's good. Oh my god! I just read it! I just read it! Oh my god! 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 It's very, oh my god, bro! Oh my god! Bro, my reaction like, bro, did I just do it? Go away! Go away! Here! Hell no! Hell no! Never mind, I'm not reacting. Okay, I'm pretty loud. Um, okay, wait. I'm gonna start something. Oh, we use medkit. Medkit is giving 80 health, so this is not worth it. Maybe 40. Then I'm just heal myself. Okay, let's help them out. I wonder where is they? Maybe we can bring her to find them. Oh my god. I'm liking it. Okay, I'm liking it. I swear, bro, I'm liking it. Oh my god, bro. What is that? How even I'm supposed to block that? Okay, maybe we can help someone. Where is they, bro? See? There. Hold still. Like that. Oh my god, never mind. Maybe I can go to another place today. This place is so like man. Okay. Okay. We can go to another place or I don't know, I don't care. We kill another person. No. I'm very cool right now, bro. Okay, after this, I'm gonna go off because I have thing to do. Oh my god. Are you kidding, bro? Damn, I just realized. Celebrated tidak Say goodbye. See you guys in the next video. Hehe.